Welcome back to the channel. 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, a true blend of futuristic design, luxury living, and cutting-edge engineering that's set to redefine how we think about travel. The exterior of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is the first thing that takes your breath away. Sculpted with aerodynamic precision, it features sleek LED light strips running across its bold grille, creating a dynamic and futuristic presence on the road. The body lines are clean yet powerful, offering both elegance and dominance. It's equipped with adaptive smart headlights, solar-paneled roofing for additional energy support, and retractable side awnings that extend seamlessly at the touch of a button. The massive panoramic windshield not only provides drivers with a commanding view but also enhances the sense of space and openness. Its alloy wheels are designed for both luxury appeal and off-road durability, making this motorhome as versatile as it is stylish. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome reveals a true 5-star hotel experience on wheels. The interior is crafted with premium leather seating, customizable mood lighting, and real wood finishes, giving it a warm yet futuristic atmosphere. There's a spacious lounge with recliner seats, a smart dining table, and an entertainment system powered by a large LED display with integrated surround sound. The kitchen area comes fully loaded with a touch-controlled induction cooktop, a built-in fridge, and smart storage solutions. The sleeping quarters feature a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, ambient ceiling lights, and panoramic side windows for a luxury home vibe. A fully functional bathroom with a rain shower, touchless fixtures, and climate control completes the package, making long journeys comfortable and unforgettable. Under the hood, Mercedes has taken innovation to the next level. The 2026 motorhome runs on a hybrid electric powertrain combining an advanced V6 turbo engine with high-capacity electric motors, ensuring power, efficiency, and eco-friendliness. The hybrid setup allows silent electric-only drives for city cruising while the engine kicks in for long-distance touring. It offers all-wheel drive capability, adaptive air suspension for maximum comfort, and regenerative braking technology to enhance energy efficiency. With a powerful battery pack integrated into the chassis, it provides excellent range while also supporting fast charging. The performance is balanced with eco-conscious engineering, making this a future-ready masterpiece. And now, the most awaited part: to its price. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome starts at around $650,000, depending on the customization and luxury add-ons chosen. For a vehicle that combines the comfort of a luxury villa, the technology of a futuristic car, and the power of a premium Mercedes engine, the price reflects the true essence of unmatched innovation. So, what do you think about the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome? Would you take this futuristic villa on wheels for your ultimate road trip adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Luxury Car Vibes, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most luxurious machines the world has to offer.